Mercedes A350 with 50 for transmission gear or shifter is not working and stop on the P mode, and you should remove from there this unit, and in this case 000 something, and you should remove resin and elastic something is here, and 3 board here and 4, and very important here is one, and you can see what's happened inside when this not working correct. This unit stop on the P park mode. If you remove this, just it's working without P mode. And if you cannot find this unit, ECM, and I cannot remember what was that, DSM. If you can find this unit, you can just remove, and it's working after that for you until you find this unit, and after that you can replace this. Good luck. On this and 2 bolts is here, and we should replace it, and we can remove them, and now it will be natural. Here is park, now it's in the natural, and now here is great and working without park software work. Hardware work is working on the transmission and no problem, that will be nothing for you, and now it's working without park, and maybe work for you 10 years, 20 years without problem. Thank you. Remove this, and after that this will be work. Now I should buy new. If I said again, if you cannot find this module.